Wow. Mira, ¿qué es lo que tú estás grabando? Déjame ver. ¿Qué pasó? Déjame ver que tú estás grabando, déjame ver.
Bleeding. This guy's beating me for no reason, man. Look, this guy's beating me for no reason. He's beating me for no... Look, man. Look. I'm bleeding for no reason. Man, I'm gonna sue you. I swear I'm gonna sue you. You don't even know who I am. Man, look, I'm bleeding, man.
So guys, let me explain. So I had my GoPro. Here's my GoPro. I was just walking in the streets, so I was just filming, you know, just doing my thing with my GoPro. So all of a sudden, I'm telling you, all of a sudden, like in a split of seconds, some guy with no uniform actually came to me and said, hey, what are you filming? So I had my GoPro like this, and I looked at this guy. I thought he's just a civilian who wants to rob my camera actually. So I held my camera like this, you know, and he pulled me and he pushed me, and the other guy was there, and they were harassing me on the street. Not like harassing me, you know how they hold you and they put you like this. And they were actually municipal police right there. There were like 4 cars, so all of them came with guns, with everything. They started like pushing me, telling me, you keep quiet, pulling my cameras, pulling my bag, pulling everything. So me, I just chilled, you know. So I went inside the car. So inside the car, this guy started asking me. So, you know, even they have not told me my problem. You know, they have not told me what have I done wrong. They have not told me what law I've broken or anything. This happened in Dominican Republic, and this city is called Santiago. And the municipal police, which is down here, where I live actually, it's like a walking distance, I realized. So there were like 2 cars of police, okay? So the first car was ahead of us, and me, the arrested guy, in another car. So I was with 4 other policemen. Actually, they're municipal police, not even national police, you know. So me, I just chilled because I was like, I've not done anything wrong. Like, I was just smiling actually. So the guy who was seated next to me tried to hold my GoPro and tried to record. And he realized he was recording himself. Then he was telling me, hey, delete that. I told him I can't delete.
Delete that track. I have to put in my computer.
Because I have to go to the computer and delete it because I needed some evidence, you know. So they checked my bag. They got my big camera, which I'm filming right now, Canon 70D. They got this guy checked, and he was like, no, this guy is just a photographer. He's doing his own thing. Just let him go. But the other guys were like, no, we have, I don't know if they talked because I didn't understand what they were saying because they were talking very fast, and they said, so we're gonna take him to the station. And they tried talking to me in Spanish. I didn't speak Spanish at that time. I couldn't speak Spanish because I knew if I spoke Spanish, they may bring many conspiracies, which even, so I spoke English 100%. So we arrived at the station, the first car parked, the second car, which I was, so the policemen in the second car, like, they had chilled with me, they had no problem. So they were like, even I thought they just want to say, you know what, you walk away and just go, because they realized like I'm not doing anything, you know, anything wrong. So the 2 other guys came from the other car, and they were like, where's that guy who we arrested, where's that guy? And the other police told him, this guy has nothing, man, just let him go. Some 2 guys insisted, one guy with a gun, actually a long gun, and with a uniform, and one guy who is a civilian. So they pushed me, and they were like, we're gonna take you inside there. And actually they were, you know how like how people arrest people like Osama bin Laden? You know how like they tie you, they hold you here, and another one is holding you here. Man, it was like that, man. So me, I just chilled, man. I just chilled. I was like, you know, let's go, where are you taking me? So we go, and we arrive at a door, like at an entrance, and the first thing I know is there was a short guy who had no uniform, pushed me like this and hit me really hard, like really hard, until my whole mouth torn. Actually, even my ear right now, I'm having problems, man. So I'm like, what the fuck just happened, you know? Me, I'm like, and you know, it came as a surprise. I was like, what the fuck just happened, you know? And that's when I realized this could be something more serious than I think. So Actually, they had given me back my GoPro, so I had it in my hand and I started filming. I started filming and actually I didn't film the slap because I didn't know it was coming, you know? And that's the time I filmed and told him, you know what, I know my rights, I'm gonna sue you. And I pointed the camera towards him and I showed, there were ladies in the room, I showed them, why is he beating me? And that's the time the guy disappeared. Then he came back after a minute when I was making noise, you know, I was like really shouting, telling him, you can't do this to me, you can't, like I know my rights. And I was holding my camera like it was everything. So when they realized that, other people came and they were like, why did you beat him? So they were asking the guy, why did you beat him? And that's when the guy felt so cold. And one of the ladies told me, you know what, you just need to leave, just go, just go. We don't need you here, just go. And that's how I got released. So as I was walking, I was just so mad, man. And I was like, I wanna sue you, I wanna sue you. And the guy, and that's how they left me, man. And that's how rotten this system is. You know, they harass you, even they arrest you for nothing you've not done. They try to beat you. Ask this guy, where is it written that you have to beat me? Take me to court if you think I've made some mistake, you know? That's what I told the guy. And even the ladies in the room, they were like, that's what you've done is wrong. And I was filming. And even the guy, the main guy who arrested me, the first guy who came with a red t-shirt, I told him, why would you bring me here and you're bringing me to people who are beating me? And I was pointing the camera to the guy who beat me. Even him, he didn't say anything. They left me walk away. And that's how now I'm able to make this video, man, to share. Yeah, it was just a tough day, man, tough day. Man, remember to hit the subscribe button, man, and share this video. I don't know, maybe at some point I felt like, you know how people look at you and they say, oh, this guy is a black guy, maybe he's from Haiti, and they're gonna harass you just because, I don't know if it was racial. Yeah, so yeah, that is it, you know. So guys, ensure you give this video a like, man, subscribe, share to a guy coming to Dominican Republic and tell them this story, man. I think I'll have to see the doctor, man, because actually when I'm talking, one of my ears is blocked. I feel like it's blocked actually. Tough day.